guys, we're here playing Monkey's Place. You can play it, I recommend playing it. And yeah, it's really fun. Play around, just be goofy. And yeah, let's go. So today we're gonna do horror, and we can do other things, I guess. There's not really anything else that I can think of other than horror. Maybe parkour. There's a parkour. So yeah, let's do it. So yes, I usually like doing third person mode. That's why I have third person mode on, So yes, before I go into horror, I just need to warn you. Okay, I'm just gonna warn you that there will be jump scares. Okay? There's gonna be some jump scares. So that's just a little jump scare warning. So yeah. If you might be sensitive to jump scares or loud noises, yeah. There's gonna be jump scares in here. Right, so let's go into a lobby. Press it. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Let's go. Alright.
I hate the level.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Guys, does anybody want to do horror with me?
Guys, I don't know what to get for 500.
Guys,
Poor monkey.
Guys, does anybody want to do horror with me? Does anybody want to do horror with me?
Poor monkey. Look at this poor monkey.
Does anybody want to do horror with me?
No. What do you think? Oh, I do.
I mean, if you don't want to, then just don't, okay? It's that easy. You just ignore me.
I'm actually laughing.
Guys, everybody come to horror if you want to do horror with me. Oh my gosh, I'm drifting. Hold up.
I'm not a bozo.
Let
Get to level 4.
Wait, level 4? You've made it to level 4?
Monster one? God dang.
No, they cancel it. You don't have a level 4.
Oh.
7,500. Wait, bro, you want to be this extended?
You know what, let's just go. Alright. So, we're gonna go into horror. Again, there's gonna be jump scares and loud noises. So, yeah. 1. Maze.
Open the hell.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
my gosh.
Level 3, the code. Level 4, coming soon. Wait, is level 4 out yet?
Oh,
It's not coming out anytime soon. Because people leaked it. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. It got leaked, so now the creator's not gonna
I hate this.
put it out because people are pooping.
I mean, we can't really tell because level 2 is glitched.
Can anyone do horror with me?
Hey, level 4 is not coming out. It's around
Everybody.
a couple of months ago.
If you want to do level 2 with me, then come to horror.
Well, they gotta add something in the trusted user rooms. And in the donator rooms.
I'm trusted user, and I've already made it to level 3.
I'm gonna be trusted.
Yeah, I'll do
Yeah,
it.
there's no
Guys,
level 4, there's no point. There's no
I've
level
already
4.
beat
You
horror.
can't-
I don't care if there's no level 4. I just want to do horror.
I'll
But
do
you
it
can't
with
go
you.
back, so you have to reset your game.
Come on, let's
Well,
go.
I don't care.
You have to go back.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one.
Good morning,
Mute me
Does
if you don't want to
anybody
hear
know
me.
what the help
Shut up,
sign
dude.
is?
Alright.
Oh, sorry.
No.
No.
Oh my gosh, what the heck has happened to your plushie?
Up, 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 up.
Bro, let's go thinking.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there he is. He's over there. Yes, I got both of them. Yes, let's go! I made it! I made it! Guys, come to level 2! Oh my gosh. Guys, come to level 2! Here's music credits. Music credits are right here. Guys, come to level 2! I'm here.
I was just broken.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, they're gonna fix an Xbox. It's not broken, just the maze is so
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the maze is so good.
Somebody go in cabin.
I have to do big jumps.
Somebody go in cabin. I want to show you. Show them something.
Easy, dog.
Can anybody? Oh yeah, dude. Aw. Come back, bro.
Did you fix horror? Please.
Guys, I need someone to come with me in level 2.
Fix horror. Oh,
I'm scared.
He fixed horror. He fixed level 2. They have fixed it. He fixed level 2. Yeah.
Bro, I need someone to come with me.
Fix level 2. Let's go.
Yo, dude. The guy that was in level 2, can you come back?
What? I'm trying to do something.
Alright.
Close now, close. Yo.
I'm scared to go alone. You know what? Should I just go? I don't know if I should just go.
No, wait. I'm coming. I'm
Alright.
just turning on third person.
Alright, you're turning on. I already have third person.
And I'm turning
Third
on
person
the
is pretty
TVs.
cool. Like, you get to. You can also, like, see outside the map with third person.
I know. I remember when I first got this game, if you bought 1,000 bananas, it'll give you a banana glitch. No, yeah.
I didn't get
Controls
the
is
microphone cosmetic.
Wow,
calm down.
wow.
Dum dum dum
Oh, shoot.
dum 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 dum.
I'm glitching.
Hey guys, how do you get the
Where's your level 2
microphone
incoming?
cosmetic?
Being at level 2 and coming.
You're in
The
level
door's not
2?
opening for level 2.
What do you mean?
Yeah, go turn my boundary. Go turn my
Oh,
boundary.
yo, dude.
How do
Alright.
you get the microphone
We're gonna go?
cosmetic?
Go turn my boundary.
Right.
Go turn my boundary.
Oh my gosh! What? My controller! No! My controller! Oh my gosh! What? What is happening? The controller is dying! Oh my gosh! I'm still making it! Oh my gosh! I'm way faster with 2 hands, but I only have 1 hand. Basically. Oh my gosh, no, I can't wall jump now. Oh my gosh! I'm making it! No! My hand! Stop disconnect! No! Oh my gosh, that is horrifying! What is that thing? Oh! I think I'm dead. Okay. Oh! Oh my!
I need to get over here. Okay.
Oh. I love this. That's why I love this game. It scares the heck out of you.
Monkey.
How do you get that thing that makes the monkey sound?
I don't know.
For some reason my hand was like disconnecting and now it's just fine. Oh, that thing.
Monkey.
I can't buy it, but I kind of want it.
Monkey.
I kind of want to get the button though. It makes like a giant farting sound. Holy, excuse me. He has the mirror.
What is it?
Oh, there's drumsticks.
Guys, how do you reset your controller to get back on?
Me.
You guys know how to...
How much?
Boom, 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 boom.
Hey, do you know how to
Banana.
order arm back together because I'm waving it around.
Banana. Do you want a banana? Banana? Eat banana.
Where?
Hey guys,
Right here.
I'm Dreaming Curly.
Eat the banana. Eat the
Get
banana.
out.
Yeah, I completely forgot that I got this marshmallow stick. If there's a fire, I swear.
I'm not.
Hey.
Wait, is there a fire? I feel like there is a fire.
Guys,
Oh, there
I
is a
need the
fire.
microphone cosmetic.
No.
Hey, do you know how to get the microphone cosmetic?
Yeah, I can show you how to get it. I can show you how to get it.
Yeah, it's in the MKP News channel, but I can't get it.
What do you mean?
It won't let me buy it.
Maybe you don't have enough bananas. Have you checked how much bananas you have?
Oh, you want to buy the item? Yeah. It wasn't working before.
Guys, does
Oh, it
anyone
wasn't?
wait a moment. Wait, can someone help me?
Monkey! Monkey news. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Life could be dream.
Did you know there's a thing that actually shows the camera right here? Look at it.
Huh?
Look at it. There's a thing that actually shows the camera.
There. No.
How do you get it?
Look at it. No, not like an item. It's out here. Look at it.
No.
Out where?
Literally out here. I said. Look above.
Yes.
Look
no.
above it.
It just leads you to the floor.
And you can see me.
Oh,
Monkey news.
no,
Marshmallows are the new greatest
I
food.
don't see you.
No, it's up. Look up. Right there. Right there.
What do you mean?
Right there.
Oh!
Monkey news.
No. Yes. 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 No. I literally
What
hate
the heck?
it.
Hold on, let me get my camera.
No more. No more camera.
Oh, shoot,
No
sorry.
more monkey news for you. No more monkey news. What if I literally just cover it with my body? I wonder what that looks like. I need the camera mod. Bro, I need to get that. I just need
Yes.
I need to buy the camera mod. I have 1,000 shiny. Did I really just call the bananas shiny rock?
Bro,
I just need 1,000 more bananas, and then I can get camera mod.
yeah. I want it. Where'd you get that?
Ha! Got your monkeys.
How'd you get the microphone?
Got your monkeys.
What?
What the? My hand is disconnected.
Yeah, I'll find out.
What would you do if you saw this across your hallway? Bro, hand. Oh my gosh, this is so laggy. And my hand keeps dying and undying, or reviving.
Monkey news. Today we will be
Monkey
talking
news.
about monkeys. So, if you
Oh
don't
my
know,
god.
monkey is Charmian.
Oh my, bro. Oh my gosh. Monkey is best person in this game. And in any game. If there's a monkey in the game, that's the best game.
Place for no reason. So stop getting mad, little kids.
Oh my gosh. I can climb on them. Holy. What is that? Oh my gosh. Ah, no! I keep on using my other hand. My other hand is dead.
I'm going to get more bananas in the cave.
No. That controller is gone now. I threw it on my bed.
Please, the monkey.
I know someone named Daniel. Whoa!
I am breathing,
Whoa.
bro.
I am the owner now. I'm not the owner. That's adorable. That's epic. Monkey bouncers. What the? What is monkey bouncers? Old player model. Oh, that's how we got the. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of bananas. War monster. Banana monkey. Huh. 2,000, 3,000. I already have this. I accidentally bought it one time. I absolutely hate it. It just tells you the time. That's literally it. Please get rid of this. Give me a monkey refund. I don't know. This.
Hold
I
on,
don't
do you
want
have
it.
anything to say? Hold on.
No, I don't.
You don't have anything to say? How do you get the Explorer badge?
I know, but I don't know. I know, but I don't know at the same time. Cause I don't have it, but I do know how to get it, but I don't have it.
Square monkey.
By getting all the collectibles.
You have to buy it.
You got to get all the collectibles to get it.
Yeah. It's they're called unlockables. They're called
I also have a
unlockables.
cool badge. I also have a cool badge. This. And I will show you guys my badge.
Oh my god.
My top secret.
I can't get it
badge.
out. Oh. The psst badge.
You want to see
It's
my badge?
it's in my dead hand.
This is my badge.
How come I got further?
Oh my god.
And I have your ID.
I have your
Top
ID.
secret badge.
No.
Blue.
What if Dora said that? What if Dora? What if,
Go over here for.
No one likes you because you're
yeah, I know.
fatherless.
I already have that. I already have. Psst.
Okay, I think I have a whole. I think I have everything in the
Nobody
game.
likes you because
Give
you're.
me
I have the. I have the
Bro,
Explorer
look at it,
badge,
look at it.
which is pretty cool.
Look at-
I have the owner badge. Which
Look
is
at the
cool. The which is
Wait, you
cool.
have the Met the owner?
Yes, it's right here.
Oh,
Look at my badge. Look at my badge.
I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Meet the
On my
owner.
body.
Yeah.
It's top secret. Don't tell anyone.
I want to meet the owner. I really do.
He's friendly. He's friendly.
Yeah,
He
Ganondorf
won't
or
sell your toast
something.
on Amazon for $3.99.
He will
Only
sell
the
them.
monkey unky owners do that.
He'll sell my toes, but will he suck my toes?
Trust me, it's creepy.
Yeah, bro, that's the monkey see monkey.
Don't tell anybody about the badge.
No, that's the
Not
monkey
tell
see
anybody.
monkey doo.
I'm gonna tell the people you trusted. Bye bye, monkey.
Bye.
Anything else?
I mean,
you
I'm
wanna
gonna
say,
get
Mike?
trusted in like 2 hours or 1 hour. I don't know.
Congrats. You wanna see the cosmetics
You don't have
that you get for a
trusted.
trusted user?
You do have trusted?
You wanna see the cosmetics?
Who doesn't have trusted?
Yeah. How do you? Where do the
Right now, my
cosmetics
brother's
go?
over. He's
Because in
over
like
there. Or over
1
there.
hour, I'm gonna get trusted. I want to see where to get the cosmetics.
Wait, what's your time? What's your time?
My time is like 7,000
What?
seconds.
Cutest thing ever. Sorry, I was just
My-
looking at one of my puppies. Anyways,
My time is 7,000 seconds.
it's like a baby version of Sarge.
That was.
Hey,
Who doesn't
hey,
have trusted user?
Jacob, I have a super secret.
I don't
secret
have
badge. Not tell
trusted
anybody.
user. Yo,
Only tell the people you
yo,
trust.
where is it?
You
Where are the
have
cos?
issues.
Do not tell anybody about my
You
badge.
have
Just
no
only tell
gravity
people you
here.
trust.
All right,
How do you?
I
know?
won't
This
tell.
kid is
I won't
like,
tell them.
Bro, this kid is like Imagine Physics. Bro, this kid
Hold on,
right
hold on,
here
stay
says
still.
Imagine Physics and has no gravity.
Yo, what you doing?
I guess the Explorer badge is also
how do you
top
enable
secret.
it?
Give you another hug. It's kind of hard to get.
I can't
Be a
hug you
true
because I only
slut,
have
you
like
know.
one arm.
Sit still.
I can't hug you
That's
back
all.
because I have like one
The
arm.
the owner
straight
badge
to
is
the
like
back.
I don't even know. I
It's
guess you
like
can
a
get it. I
1%
think it's easier to get or something. I don't know.
What do you mean it's easy? You have to go in a random lobby
I
and
said
read it.
easier, not it's easy. like Gandalf joins frequently, so you have a higher chance of meeting him.
Right. Do you guys want to be in like the outro of my video or something?
Not gonna lie, he kind of trolled everybody.
What do you mean?
He decided to he got like he showed me his gravity circle, then he flew me around.
Yo,
epic.
dude. Do you want to
Everyone
be
kept
in, like...
asking for a signature.
Yo, dude.
Everyone
do
kept
you wanna-
asking for a signature, but then he just showed us the Met the Owner badge.
Yo, dude.
But he joins frequently, so chances are, yeah. I also
Bro.
saw
Bro.
some people with my badge, the Met
Yo.
the Owner badge.
You.
See, it's he
Leprechaun
joins more
hat.
frequently.
Leprechaun hat.
Where is
Do you want to be in my outro? You want to be in my outro?
Oh, the Met the Owner badge. Go to shop for the Met the Owner badge. I'll
Bro.
show you.
Dude, do you want to be in the end of my video?
Honey, there's something wrong with your arm.
Yeah, I know. My arm's dead. I don't know why. It just died. It just died randomly.
Wait, I can fix it. I can fix it. Show me your arm. Okay, never mind. I'll just do it from right here then.
Wait, hold up. Hold
Okay,
up.
I will crack your arm into place.
Okay. Crack my arm
you
into
ready?
place. It'll take like
Wait,
a
I gotta
minute
get
though.
some tools. Follow me.
It'll-
Let me get some tools. Let me get some tools.
Usually the surgery is gonna wait. Why you
These
have a
will
knife?
do the job. These will do
No,
the job.
no, don't cut my arm off.
Come here, buddy.
No,
It's time to fix your arm.
no, no, please. Look, it's a cookie.
Let me.
It's a cookie.
Oh, cookie. Cookie.
You wanna know how to get the
Where's the
I
cookie?
don't want- Oh no, I'm
Someone
stuck.
also tried to kill us Daisy 09. They had like a kick hammer.
Here, I
It was
got a
like,
cookie.
I should probably
Yeah,
get the
see?
cookie. How much is it? 250?
Wait, it's only 200.
Joke's on you. Now I have a chicken nugget and a cookie. No.
Yo, I have the chicken nugget.
Dino Nugget.
Can you do the surgery
Well, go
on
to
my
shop if
arm,
you wanna see
but
the badge,
don't
I don't
just
care.
cut my arm
Or
off,
just
please?
just go play mini games.
Yo, dude. Wait a minute, did I buy it? I swear. Oh, it didn't make
Wait,
me
no.
buy it. I already
Okay.
had it.
Besides, you won't let me fix it. He will fix it.
Yes, fix my arm. I trust
Frogster.
Frogster. I trust you.
Okay, now just show me your arm and like do this. Show me your arm and do that. I gotta get a better version. Okay, he's crawling. He's crawling up. He's crawling in there.
Jealous.
What? Alright. Wait, who's jealous now?
3, 2, 1. It's gonna take like a minute for it to work. All right.
Okay, you went
Right.
up in your. Okay, you know what? You'll get fixed later.
All right, and then I'm gonna go into this room, and I will see you when my arm is finally healed.
Okay.